a brief video on AMD stock analysis, and a little bit of technical analysis thrown in. Let's take a look at this daily chart of advanced micro devices. We've got a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. Advanced micro devices are selling for $62.21, up 6%, $3.60 today. And volume's 47 million versus an average daily volume of 83 million. It's about 12:15 on Friday, the 28th of October. And in a minute, I'll show you some algorithmically generated prices for this stock. Let's take a look real quick and see that around the 13th, like a lot of other stocks, put in a bottom at $54.57, and I wouldn't say it's been rallying ever since, but it's been trending up very slightly. That could be good news because it's closing above its 20-day, at least right now it's above the 20-day moving average. If AMD gets above its 20-day moving average and the price is above the 5 and the 20-day, then we're going to start to move up a little bit. Right now, it doesn't look like there's whole energy in this stock. There's just not a whole lot going on with it. It is moving up, which is a positive sign, but it's not great. So we'll take a look at another chart here in a minute, two different charts. But this stock has the potential to get above 65 and get to 69 bucks or so, and to test its high here of $70.29, and it has the potential to do that in the first couple of weeks of November, but it's got to get some more energy behind it. I'd like to see this stock rally to 65, drop back down to low 60s, maybe $60 or $59, and then push itself up to 70. And the potential is there to do that, but I don't see a whole lot of energy right now in this stock. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and see if we can see what's going on with it. We can see that it's below the 200-week moving average, which may have something to do with the negativity. It's way below its 20-week moving average and just slightly above the 5-week moving average. So this stock's still in a negative, serious bear market on the weekly chart. It's not a complete disaster, but as you can see, it's definitely in a bear market. So that might be the trepidation. Let's look at the hourly chart real quick. The other thing we'll notice real quick here is this stock's been below its 200-hour moving average since August 22nd. It's a very negative thing. It's come across, and it still is not above its 200-hour moving average. A lot of stocks are starting to pop up here just marginally above the 200-hour moving average. AMD has not done that yet. It's been essentially dead money all the way since the beginning of October on an hourly chart. So that's not good. You got to start your moves here in the hourly, and then you continue on. You can see you started your move here in the hourly, got above the 200-hour moving average, and then you went on with it and put on another, what is that, 20 bucks in the stock. So you got to get it started here, and there's no energy even on an hourly chart. So I think this stock needs something to push it up. I'm not sure what that is, but it clearly isn't there right this second. Let's go and take a look and see what RBM Research says about it. We put out algorithmically generated stocks for 190 stocks every morning, 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. We got them out today for the 28th of October, and AMD is right here. $55.96 for the 1 day, and all the way up to $58.07 for the 20-day. The range on this stock is $54.57. I'm sorry, $58.95. $58.95 is a low for today. So AMD, none of these prices have been hit yet on AMD. The low is $58.95, and none of these have been hit. So it's looking for the price to drop down a little bit, kind of consistent with my analysis, although I thought, it needs to drop down to $59, $60. So this is a pretty aggressive drop. It's looking to get a bargain on this stock, really, and I think it's probably going to take a bargain to get people interested in this stock to push it up. But that's where we are today. You can get access to all of our algorithmically generated prices that come out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday from rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. No credit card required. Free access. Just go over there, put in your email address, and get immediate access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, the most liquid futures contracts, all before 7 a.m. And we put algorithmically generated prices, longs for the stocks and longs or shorts for almost everything else. Again, entertainment only. Everything you've seen and heard here are entry prices, especially, and my commentary is for entertainment purposes only. You should do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. Please click the like button if you like this video, subscribe if you want to do that, and leave us a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you.